Did you know that having a diversified portfolio is like having a financial safety net? Think of it this way: if you put all your eggs in one basket and you drop it, you lose everything. Investing is the same. If all your money is in one type of stock or a single sector, you're exposed to maximum risk when that part of the market takes a hit. The whole goal of diversification is simple: don't put all your eggs in one basket. It's about spreading your money across different investments so that when one dips, others may hold steady or even go up, smoothing out your overall returns. And the great news is, Stash makes it incredibly easy for beginners and experienced investors alike to build a diversified portfolio. Here's how you can do it on the platform. Stash gives you two main paths to diversification. The first is the hands-off approach, using Smart Portfolio. Smart Portfolio is Stash's robo-advisor. When you sign up, it asks you a few questions about your goals and your comfort level with risk, your risk profile. Then, Stash's experts build you a portfolio of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, that automatically includes a mix of stocks and bonds, both domestic and international. The best part? It monitors and rebalances your portfolio for you. This is the simplest way to ensure you're diversified from day one, without you having to do any of the hard work. The second path is the more hands-on, self-directed investing approach, where you pick your own investments. If you choose this path, Stash has tools to help you stay diversified. You'll want to focus on three key areas. 1. Diversify by asset class, don't just buy stocks. Stocks are for growth, but bonds are generally safer and can help stabilize your portfolio during stock market downturns. Stash offers a variety of ETFs that hold corporate, government, or municipal bonds to help you balance your risk. 2. Diversify by sector and size. When buying individual stocks or stock ETFs, spread your money across different sectors, like tech, healthcare, and energy. Stash groups investments with names that make this easy to understand. You also want a mix of large companies, or large-cap stocks, and smaller, growing companies, or small-cap stocks. 3. Diversify by geography. Your portfolio shouldn't be limited to just the U.S. markets. Economic growth happens all over the world. Use Stash's international and emerging market ETFs to get exposure to foreign companies and better insulate yourself from any single country's economic shifts. Now, a pro tip from Stash: use the diversification analysis tool. This is like your investing report card. It analyzes your self-directed portfolio against a target based on your risk profile, and it highlights areas in red where you're under-diversified, and even suggests specific ETFs to buy to improve your score. Whether you go with the fully automated Smart Portfolio or build your own mix using the advice and tools, diversification is the cornerstone of Stash's philosophy for long-term investing success. It won't guarantee profits, but it is one of the best ways to protect your wealth over time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.